Rolling through the city on these 4G skinny, cheap and bubble gum.
Man, so we got some different things going on. Well, first off, last time it was a nighttime video, apologies. And it was 212s,
yeah,
gold,
yep, gold.
And then you had a C7 3K. But now we got the DD Power, and it's an M4.
Yeah, M4.
Nice.
Drop the half on, 15 golds.
Uh-oh. I can't wait to hit this.
Came in with my own behavior. Niggas never change. You know how this game go. Cracking seals and counters. What I wanna change. Fuck rich million damage. Dancing. Bitch look at the brain. You stop slam up. She like how I shine. It's not my kind. Dig that orange when we slide.
Tell the difference?
Nasty. Yeah, it's a little difference because my ears are ringing a little bit there. Yep. May not be a bad suggestion. I was just telling Chris and Trunk Game Crazy, I'm gonna invest in an extra one just to have laying around so that when I blow one, you know, I won't be out the game. Matter of fact, I even thought about buying a drill, extra drill, keeping the car, and some kind of way bringing it. I'm gonna be looking crazy as hell with that speaker in my car, but extra speaker like a
What you do
spent
different
tire.
than yours? You ain't doing nothing different than yours?
Shorten the port up, retune the amps, so it got a little bit more bandwidth, a little bit more power. That's about it.